Hey, it's Bonnie. Happy Friday night. I am back. I hope you want to join me for one more video. Oh my gosh, this is like Candle Day Mania. It's so much fun today to talk about candles at Bath& Body Works. I have one more review tonight. It's for one of Bath& Body Works' most famous Christmas candles. I got to talk about Fresh Balsam. I lit this one up about an hour ago. I'm starting to get a good wax pull on this one. I actually had two in this jar style this year. I actually burned through one of them already because I like Fresh Balsam around the holidays. So Bath& Body Works, I'm trying to remember what year Fresh Balsam actually came out. I've been shopping at Bath& Body Works for a really, really long time. But before I was a YouTuber, I didn't pay attention to like what came out every year as good as I do now because I talk about it on a daily basis. But Fresh Balsam is definitely one of the most famous Christmas candles that Bath & Body Works has. You can still get this one. This one is still available for Candle Day in this Nutcracker Sugar Plum Fairy design with the green wax. It's also available in the stripy candle, as I call it. These are the stripy candles. And then it's also in like an aqua white barn jar. And it's pretty consistent. I've never had any issues with Fresh Balsam being different from year to year. It just always smells the same to me. We also got it this year in the box. Let me show you the box here. This is the Make Joy Happen box. You can still get these, by the way. So if you want a Fresh Balsam that looks like this, get the box. So that's the $40 purchase with purchase box. You have to spend $40, and then you get the box for $40. I think it's still available online, but again, this has the green wax. So the scent notes in this one are woodland balsam, crisp eucalyptus, fir branches, and cedarwood. So obviously the two ingredients that are going to make this a powerhouse, which it is, are the eucalyptus and the cedarwood. Anytime you put those in a candle, it's usually really, really strong. I tend not to like eucalyptus as much. I prefer cedarwood over eucalyptus, but the cedarwood, I feel like, and the other ingredients, or the other scents, it's like making a cake. The other scents tend to tone down the eucalyptus, so it's not like overpowering if you don't like eucalyptus. I still think you can burn Fresh Balsam and love it. I mean, it basically smells, it's like a pine tree. It smells like outdoors, Christmas trees. It's wonderful. So I highly recommend Fresh Balsam. It's a powerhouse. It's always strong. Fills your house with a wonderful Christmas aroma if you like pine trees. Anytime I've ever been burning Fresh Balsam, someone comes into my house, they're always like, oh, it smells so good. If you don't like that really strong like eucalyptus scent or the cedarwood, I would get vanilla balsam. I think this is like the lighter, creamier cousin of Fresh Balsam. This one is actually balsam fir, frosted vanilla, and snow-capped pine needles. Notice there's no eucalyptus or cedarwood in this one. I love this one too. I love the vanilla. If I had to choose between the two, I would pick the vanilla balsam. I love it so much. That's not saying I don't like Fresh Balsam. It's just that I love the vanilla note in this candle so much. This is definitely one that I usually get a couple of over the holiday season. I did order another one. I think, did I get one of those? I think I got one in my Candle Day order. If not, I'm thinking of actually placing a second order tonight. Because I keep going through the advice that I'm giving everyone, I'm giving myself going, yeah, don't wait, buy these now. Because what's going to happen is I'm going to wait and then they're going to get sold out. Yes, because vanilla balsam is still available. I'm actually debating whether or not I should place a second order tonight or wait till tomorrow and see if I get into the store, because I'm a little bit worried personally that the vanilla balsam might get sold out, and I want like maybe two more of them. So I'm like the same way. I'm like, what do I do? Do I do it? Do I wait? Do I shop tomorrow? I'm in the same boat. I'm always like second guessing myself, going, what should I do? I don't know. So if you are looking for some good balsam candles, I'll review Vanilla Balsam 2 when I burn this one. I love the packaging in this one too. It's so pretty. I love the wrapping paper. But right now, don't miss out on fresh balsam. This one I think will be available for a while. I think they make enough fresh balsam that they don't sell out of it usually. So my guess is this will be around for the entire candle day if you want to pick it up either online or in store. But it's one you have to try. It's like wonderful. The other balsam, and I've talked about this before, I did a whole video on balsam candles. Tree Farm, which I did order. I know I got that one. Tree Farm is actually crisp pine needle, warm cedar, and spiced apple. So that one you get a little bit of apple in. So if you like a little bit of fruit with your balsam, I would go with the Tree Farm. Actually, I would get all three. Vanilla balsam, fresh balsam, and Tree Farm are all really good pine tree candles, and they kind of go together. You could burn all of them together and just have like this crazy pine tree scent in your house all over. You might have to leave though, because it might be too strong. I don't know. I don't know if I would try that with all three of them because they're strong. But anyway, fresh balsam is definitely like one of my #1 recommendations in a Christmas candle. You gotta try it. If you like pine tree, if you like fir needles, if you like pine cones, if you like that Christmas tree scent, definitely pick up a fresh balsam. It's worth getting. It's funny because I feel like it's one of the most overlooked candles at Candle Day because it's been around for so long. Everyone's like, fresh balsam. But it's really good. So that's why I wanted to do a video tonight about fresh balsam. If you haven't tried it, definitely worth it for $9.95, and it's one of my favorites. I really do. I like fresh balsam. I also like it in the concentrated room spray, so I can kind of spray it around my house and on my Christmas tree, and then my house smells amazing. Anyway, woohoo! I am going to go relax. We're going to watch some TV tonight. I will be on tomorrow with more Candle Day updates. Thank you as always for watching. I'll see you guys then. Bye-bye.